Priority messages. There are 4 types of VHF priority messages. Priority 1 is a distress message. The code word for distress is MAYDAY. Priority 2 is the urgency message. The code word for urgency is PANPAN. Priority 3 is the safety message. The code word for safety is SECURITE. Priority 4 is the routine message, and there is no code word for routine messages. Priority 1, 2, and 3 can be broadcast on VHF channel 16. The situations in which you would send a distress or an urgency message are similar. The difference between distress and urgency is not one of severity, but one of imminence of the danger. Distress is sent when there is imminent risk, while urgency is sent when there is a risk, but not imminent. Among the situations in which you could send a MAYDAY or a PANPAN message, there are fire, explosion, when the vessel is sinking or flooding, when your ship has collided with another vessel or a drifting object, if your ship runs aground, if your vessel is listing or has capsized, if your vessel is disabled and adrift, or if you're abandoning the ship, if you have a man overboard, if you are under armed attack or under a piracy attack, and any other imminent or urgent distress. Safety messages will be sent for 2 reasons, whether in hydrological warnings or navigational warnings. Weather and hydrological warnings will relate to the wind condition, storms, tropical storms, hurricanes or typhoons, the sea state, the visibility when it is reduced, ice, abnormal tides. Navigational warnings will include information relating to landmarks or sea marks, buoys, particularly if they are missing or unlit. Drifting hazards such as containers, tree trunks, logs, dead whales. Defective electronic navigational aids, wrong GPS information or defective beacons. Sea bottom characteristics such as wrecks or other obstructions. And miscellaneous hazards. Miscellaneous hazards will include cable laying operations, pipeline laying operations, seismic phenomena or hydrographic operations, diving operations, towing or dredging, tanker transshipment, oil rig or gas rig moves, defective locks or defective bridges, military operations, and fishing operations if they can cause a danger.